Hi, my name is Peter. I live in Vancouver, Canada. Welcome. This is my dad. He is tall and strong. I love him. This is my mom. She is kind and loving. I love her.
And this is my little sister, Anna. She is 4 years old. But wait, Peter looks outside. The sky is very dark and gray.
It is raining very hard outside. The streets are wet and cold.
Oh no! Today is Saturday. Our family has a plan.
We are going to the park.
Yay, Swoopy Park! I wanted to play outside. It's okay.
I really wanted to go to the park today.
Dad, are we safe?
Yes, Anna, we're safe. Yes, Anna, we are safe inside.
What can the family do today? Maybe a board game? Peter, Anna, come to the kitchen. Let's bake cookies today. Come on, Anna, to the kitchen.
Yay! I'm coming, Peter!
We're almost there.
This is so fun!
Can I help? I want to mix the flour and eggs.
Of course, sweetie, I'd love your help. Of course, you are my helper today.
I want to help too.
I'm mixing the dough! Me too! The kitchen smells wonderful!
It sure does.
That's it, very carefully.
Like this, Mom?
Perfect, you're a natural.
Thanks.
Almost ready. They wait for the cookies. The oven is warm. The house smells so good.
My turn! Yay!
Oh, cool move. Not bad, my turn.
You're all doing great!
Yay, cookies are ready.
They smell wonderful! These are perfect cookies!
Wow, they look perfect.
They are golden and beautiful.
The cookies cool on a plate. They look delicious. Peter cannot wait to eat.
This is the best cookie ever.
This rainy day is wonderful!
It is, isn't it?
In the evening, the rain stops. The sky turns pink and orange. Beautiful.
Peter, you had a great idea today. You stayed calm and helped everyone.
A rainy day is not bad. It can be fun.
Every day with family is a good day.
The next morning, the sun is shining. The sky is bright and clear. Good morning!
What a beautiful day.
It really is.
Yay, the park!
Let's go.
Now I will teach you 6 new English words. Are you ready? Let's learn. Storm. A storm is very strong rain and wind. Vancouver had a storm. Word 2. Bake. To bake means to cook in an oven. We baked delicious cookies today.
Word 3. Calm. Calm means not scared and not worried. Peter stayed calm today.
Word 4. Apron. An apron keeps your clothes clean when you cook. Peter wore one. Together means with your family. We do everything together. Wonderful means very, very good. Our rainy day was wonderful. Let's remember today's story. First, it rained very hard in Vancouver. No park.
Then Mom had a great idea. The family baked cookies together. It was so fun.
This is the best rainy day ever.
Definitely best family time.
Love our hugs. And bear!
The lesson today, bad weather is okay. Stay calm and have fun with your family. Thank you for watching today's story. You did a great job listening in English.
Our whole family says goodbye!
We love you very much.
See you next time! Bye!
Did you like this story? Please press the like button. It helps us so much. Please subscribe to GlowTots Nursery Rhymes. Press the bell for new videos every week.
Goodbye from GlowTots Nursery Rhymes.
We will see you in the next story.